Hey guys, what's good people? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by, guys. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is brother HL L2350DW. This printer is nice gear for office work, for student work. You can print your document from this gear using your mobile device. Okay, you can do a lot of things with your mobile phone and send this to this printer and print it out. Okay, this printer is nice, it's nice and it's dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and USB cable connection. I must say, unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. Going to turn this printer around to just give you an overview, then we'll proceed to install the ink cartridges. This is the CD-ROM, the software is included in the packaging, and here is the ink toner, which I'm going to show you how to install. And this is the information pack in various languages. It will tell you what you need to do. So this is the drum unit, this is the drum unit, and inbox toner cartridges. Okay, and also brother installation disc, and also AC power cable is included in the packaging. Okay, so basically we're going to, so from the back here, the serial number is here in case if you need to contact brother. Okay, in case if you need to contact brother. Okay, and this is the power cable goes in here. This is the USB cable spot. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have this at vinyl texture. This is what the USB cable look like. It's universal. Canon can use it, brothers can use it, HP can use it. So it goes in here. Stick it inside, and this flat end goes to the back of your PC. Once you connect it to your PC or your laptop, so you just need to stick it inside your laptop, then download the software. But if you connect this printer using your mobile device, then you don't need the laptop. Okay, so at the moment I'm just gonna remove this. Check this out at Vinyl Texture, free delivery here. Now, so once you print out your document, it will come out from right here. Okay, and I'm going to show you. If you open up this end, here is the paper tray. So you load various sizes of paper right here. Just need to adjust it. So this is A6. The first one is A6. Up is A5, B5, exec, liter, and A4. So you can actually extend this completely to the particular paper you are using. So if you scroll down like this, this is A6, which is like a photo paper, right? And you scroll, move it, adjust it to particular this A4, and make sure you extend it. Now open this printer this way. Open it up. The ink cartridges holder is right there. This is where to load the ink. You just need to load the toner right here, straight in. Okay, which we are going to do. And you switch this. I'm going to bring the camera for you to see. So with this, you can see this is the on and off button. This is the back arrow. This is okay. This is the plus and minus in terms of if you want to increase the number of the document you want to copy. This is to print out the document or go. Okay. So right now, just need to go www.brother.com/app. Okay, and this is brother HL 2350DW. This gear deserves your attention. So what we're going to do right now is to show you how to install the ink cartridges or ink toner, if you like, is what we're going to do. And for us to do that, you just need to open up this section. Now here is the toner. Okay, just need to open it up. So there's an opening here. Okay, then the next thing to do is bring it out. Here it is. So this contains the toner we need for this gear, and what we need to do right now is for us to use this gear, we just need to remove this. Okay, and you can see brother. Okay, and I believe it goes this way. Can see now what we need to do is first of all remove all the package. Removed this. Okay, is what we need to do. Remove it. Now the next thing to do is we need to check if we there we go. So this is how it goes. So you just need to go in. So the brother will be on top. You see, so this is the setting. Okay, so this is the setting. Then you bring out the toner, you go in. Okay, so you can see how it goes. So push this down to bring out the toner. Okay, then you can put the settings. You can see this is how it goes, or press it down. Then for you to bring it out, so press this down, okay, and put the toner inside. It goes in, okay. And right now it's asking us wait. Here we go. So right now it's recognizing, please wait. You can see it's telling us right now it's ready. Okay, so this is how to install the ink toner. This is how to install the ink toner. It's nice. You can open it up, bring it out. You can see once you press it here, then you'll be able to remove it. Okay, and make sure this is right here. You can see. Now it's saying no draw. Okay, we just need to make sure we put everything correct. Okay, it's in. Want to see whether it's telling us ready? Please wait. Here we go, it's ready. Okay, so this is how to install the draw unit for this gear. This printer deserves your attention. Okay, so this is how to install the ink toner for this gear. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed, guys. Thank you.